Guys, today we're here at Disneyland. We were gonna film an episode, but there's just so much construction going on here at Disneyland that it doesn't look nice. The park doesn't look too presentable. So I thought we'd try maybe like a nice little fun vlog, you know, a fun vlog for you guys. Let's have some fun. Here we go. I think this is probably like the most construction I've ever seen Disneyland do.
There's a lot of it.
A lot, guys. Here, Adventureland, Sleeping Beauty Castle. They're really trying to fix the park.
Yeah.
I want to make sure that it looks amazing. You know, now that they released a new Star Wars trailer, I might have to get myself some new Star Wars gear.
Yes.
You know, look at this. We have to represent when we go watch the movie.
I'm looking at the new phone cases here, but I like mine more. Look it.
What is that? I think it's upside down.
There you go.
Oh, it's a foodie case.
Yeah, I don't see it anywhere here though.
No, these are all Star Wars stuff.
No, I got this when I watched Disney World. Look, I want this. It's Yoda. Oh, I like this.
Hey, I want to know, guys, are you guys excited for the new Star Wars movie? I know the trailer just got released, and I want to know whether you guys are excited about it. Let us know.
So we weren't kidding about the construction. There's construction behind me, to my right, to my left, up, down, everywhere, anywhere, and
now this is one thing that's really cool that a lot of people don't know about, but at the Tropical Hideaway, you can get yourself these limited edition sporks, and you can collect them all. And right now, I think I want to get myself a spork. What do you say?
I said, let's go. Let's get one. I didn't know about the sport.
I'm excited because I haven't had a single spork since I've been here, and we're like one of the first people here.
Let's get one. I'm excited now.
Ready? Whap, whap!
Oh,
There you go.
that's cool.
So much.
Take a look at this, guys. We got it last time. We didn't have that many fruits. This time they jam-packed
She made it so pretty.
Woo.
And look, we got ourselves our sport.
$2.99 for a sport, guys.
So they change every week. So start collecting these now. Look, even Rosita's under construction.
Oh no! She's on vacation, huh? Yep. So this week they have a hippo spork, but it can change. It could be a lion next week, maybe a jaguar. Yeah, so every week they're gonna change the sporks. Yeah, monkey too. But maybe we should come every week and collect these sporks.
Yes.
I love them.
Now we can have like a little fold these. So you can put a little keychain so you can walk around with like 10 of your sporks.
There you
know,
go.
Like all cool.
You'll always be prepared to eat.
There's an orange and pineapple swirl. Oh, top.
So when these first came out, these were called the Ambush, and then they changed the name to,
The loaded whips.
which I preferred the Ambush, but it's okay. Overall though, it is delicious, and this was gonna be in one of our food episodes that we were gonna shoot, but since my computer's been on the fritz, I haven't been able to edit anything, and I've been using my laptop, but it's too slow. So I gotta buy a new hard drive for my computer, and hopefully that'll fix the problem, because it sounds like my solid state drive is having issues with the operating system. It's not working properly, so I gotta change it. But once I do, Janelle, these episodes,
We're back
they'll be
in
coming
action.
Oh
Yep.
yeah.
That's Indiana Jones.
It's real rare when we go on rides, but Indiana Jones was calling our name today.
I'm so excited.
We're going in.
Guys, we gotta be careful.
Yeah, guys, a lot of dangerous traps down here. This is probably one of the only attractions I don't mind waiting in line, because if you look around, everything looks spectacular. And Janelle looks like she's having fun.
Don't pull the rope, but then I pulled it. Now he fell. Oh, no.
Oh. All right, we're going in. Arms up, safety time.
That was a big fun.
What'd you think?
That was amazing.
We made it back, guys, and we're alive. So now Johnny Depp was like on the Pirates of the Caribbean ride, surprising all the guests. Wouldn't it be so awesome if Harrison Ford was on Indiana Jones?
That'd
Oh
be so cool.
my gosh, that'd be amazing. That'd blow my mind. Look at this. that is a new sign. That's an Adventureland sign. That one is disappearing, guys. It's gonna be gone for a while until they're reconstructed again. I think they're gonna remove this right here, that little shack. They're gonna remove it because it's kind of causing congestion here, especially because of the Dole Whip stand. But hopefully it comes back, you know, improved.
Yeah.
You know?
Out with the old.
Oh, that's the new. I hope this isn't the new Adventureland sign because it's a little lackluster. I mean, it looks great. It'd look awesome at my house, but if it was here at Disneyland, it's a little lackluster.
Yeah. It's okay.
There's the pesky bulldozer that took down that donut cart. What a silly bulldozer. It took down the donut carts, no?
Fine.
It's okay though, at least the donuts are still around.
The place might be gone, but the donuts are still here.
And that's all that matters.
Yippee drink so much they turned it into a shirt. Like, yippee!
The Yippee Mickey cotton candy drink. That thing was delicious.
I really wish it stays after Food and Wine. That's amazing.
Me too. And I like this shirt. I think I might take one to now. This is awesome.
You think that's it? There's more over here to look at. Look.
Oh,
These look little magnets.
wow.
I think they're magnets.
Guys, this is a new brand from Disney. It's called Delish. Taste D. And it's
Delish.
all these awesome, like, look at all this stuff, guys. It's all foodie inspired merchandise. And I showed you guys this before, but there are new things that are out. Like this. Look at this. New cups. Look at that. Look, Janelle. Did you see these?
We like these. Oh, popcorn, Mickey Mouse cookie, donut. Mmm.
We're really starting to care about all us foodies.
Pretzel. Look at this. I might get this.
Wow. We got a Mickey ice cream bar keychain. Janelle, where are you going?
Gonna get them.
She's actually going for the cups.
Yeah. They're so cute.
We only walked like a couple feet away, and Janelle's like, you know what? I'm going back for them.
I'm out of breath. Oh my gosh.
Like Timon, Simba, Pumbaa. These are new Lion King cups. Look, I think I'm gonna take one also. That's pretty cool. So when the Lion King comes out again, I'll have my sipper. These are the Briar cupcakes. These are new. You can get them here at Disney's California Adventure. I think you could also get them at the Jolly Holiday.
They're my favorite cookies.
Oh, the donuts. Donut cookies.
These are my favorite cookies. They have the pink one now. Got myself the rose gold Minnie Mouse cake pop. Look.
And these are new, guys.
They're brand new, so come and get them. Here we go. So pretty. I don't want to bite it.
Come on, you got this.
Okay, here we go.
It has to be eaten.
The chocolate's so sweet and creamy. The inside it's like chewy, vanilla cake in there. Kind of like your Starbucks cake pop, but this one's much better because it's Mickey shaped.
And look at the frosting is like pink and sparkly.
Sparkly.
And
pretty.
Janelle wouldn't let us leave without these cups. And I
Nope.
got myself the Lion King mug because I'm not leaving without that mug.
No, now we can continue. Come on. Oh, it's so cute. I haven't seen this yet, so it's pretty cute.
I haven't seen it either. It looks pretty good. I like it.
We're doing this.
Oh, all right. Guys, if you're gonna go on the Pixar Pier Ferris wheel, the swinging gondolas, guys, oh my gosh, are they terrifying, but they're so much fun.
I like that we're finally riding rides.
Me too. It's not common for us.
Not
Mostly
common.
we're here for the food.
For the
but-
foods and the merchandise, but
Yeah.
this time, this is it, baby.
Mm-hmm.
Some rides, some awesome food, merchandise, and amazing people around us.
Oh yeah.
It's Disney date.
One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay. 'Cause this winter someone feels like it's
Don't be nervous.
Say there's gonna be a change. 'Cause I feel like I'm just holding
liking this way too much.
Here we go.
But if I wait till the summer,
Whoa!
Like that.
good delight. One more night, one more night.
I'm not doing it again. That was a bad idea on my end.
Oh man, well, I'm just glad we haven't eaten that much yet because, yep, all that swinging.
You can do it again, but no swinging.
'Cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me.
All right, we got our food.
You got your food.
You got your mint julep?
I sure did.
I got lemonade, and we got some gumbos.
This is the best way to end Disney date with you. Some awesome beignets. These are my favorite beignets, by the way, from Dad's Kitchen. Don't come at me.
I warmed up to them. I like them more now than the Mickey Mouse ones.
Ready? Ready? Like, watch this. Oh, no.
Oh. Oh, I can smell them as soon as you like rip that bag open. That aroma.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
So good. Look.
Soft and fluffy beignets.
Look how soft. Look. Fluffy.
Sweet and sugary. The way they should be. These are all fresh and warm. They just came out of the fryers. We were supposed to eat these first, you know. These are the gumbos. Well, I mean, when you have dessert that good, it doesn't matter in what order you eat them. There it is. That's the gumbo. Look, there it is. Just the andouille sausage. Oh, can't wait to eat it. I know there's a lot of walls up right now at Disneyland, but it's not all bad. I guess you could say since there's a lot of construction going on, the rides are very short when it comes to a wait time. We only waited like 20 minutes to get out Indiana Jones. To get on the Ferris wheel, it took us like 10 minutes. And when we're looking around at all the other attractions, I didn't see anything over 30 minutes, which is insane, especially for like Space Mountain.
That one was like 30 minutes, and usually it's like 80 or 70 minutes.
Yeah. And spring break's about to start, so it's gonna get pretty gnarly here at Disneyland. And I'm not looking forward to it. It gets pretty crazy.
I think spring break has already started on certain schools or certain people.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stay tuned, guys.
Because we're gonna bring you guys to the pop-up Disney store, and that will be coming up soon. Now, I hope you guys had a great time with us here at Disneyland. Now, this was just a little small vlog. We will be back with Wonderful World of Food episodes, and trust me, they're gonna be awesome. So we can't wait to see you guys here next time on the Wonderful World of Food. This was just a vlog again, but we'll see you guys here on the Magic Journeys channel next time.
Yay!
Bye.
Bye.